What is going on, guys? Today's topic is going to be about bolted crops and why it's okay for you to leave them in your garden. So the first question you may have is, what does it mean to be bolted? A bolted crop just means that the growing conditions has become unfavorable for whatever you're growing, and now it's starting to produce flowers. Now for an example of a bolted crop, you can see right here, this is my broccoli plant that I'm growing, and you can just see how many flowers are currently growing at the moment. Now I'm not gonna lie, it looks very beautiful in my opinion. Now, in most cases, when people see their plants starting to bolt, they usually remove them and then start planting something else because now the taste of the plant is not as delicious. It loses a lot of flavor and quality. Now, here are two fantastic reasons on why it's okay for you to leave your plants in your garden even if they've bolted already. Now, the first and most important reason is that it attracts a lot of pollinators. For example, like honeybees. Honeybees like those little flowers to collect pollens from. You can see right here with these flowers, they're very small. Honeybees will absolutely love having these plants around your garden to feed off of and then help pollinate the rest of your garden as well. So not only does it make your garden look a little bit better with all these flowers, the additional pollinators will greatly benefit your garden overall. So that's reason number one. The second reason are, of course, the seeds. So this right here is a cabbage plant of mine that I let bolted and left in my garden. Let's take a closer look. If you look closely right here, you can see tons of seeds on this cabbage plant. And you can go ahead and harvest all these seeds, store them away, and then use them for your next growing season, rather than having to go and buy yourself some new cabbage seeds. It's absolutely a great way to save some money. So let's summarize this video. Don't be afraid when your crops start to bolt, It's okay. You're gonna help out the rest of your garden by allowing pollinators to come, and then you're gonna have some extra seeds for the next season. Save yourself some money and enjoy the beauty. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, subscribe, and remember guys, happy gardening.